Hello, my name is Jared Dyson. I'm a graduate student at the University of West Florida, working towards my master's degree in data science. And I'm going to show you guys how to monetize a WordPress website using AI. We're going to use AI as in Stable Diffusion and ChatGPT to create content. Then we're going to upload that information to our WordPress build, and then we're going to sign up for Google AdSense to make revenue with that content, right? Everything's done automatically. I brought a bot to where it will engage ChatGPT, it will engage Stable Diffusion, log into your WordPress website, create the content, put it on the web page, and then you kind of get revenue from organic traffic, right? So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. I'm going to pull up my code real quick. Give me 1 second. Let me make sure everything's kind of good to go. Good to go on my end. So let me cancel this real quick. I'm gonna close this real quick. All right. All right. So I'm gonna show you my screen real quick. All right, so this is my script. This is my R script, right? Everything's done in R. I'm going to go over the code, and I'm gonna show you guys what the code does. All right, so these lines here, I'm giving the script my information. So it's gonna get my username for my WordPress website, my password, and then a few API tokens. This is my WordPress login URL, and then pretty much this is gonna open up a Firefox window. Okay, so right here, we're going to engage ChatGPT. We're going to tell ChatGPT that we want an SEO-rich vegan cupcake flavor, a recipe, a description with a minimum of 100 words in a JSON format. So that's going to create that, put that in a variable right here in a JSON format. Now here, the next couple lines, we're going to just parse out the information from the JSON file. So we're going to have the ingredients right here. We're going to parse out the instructions, the description, and then the title. So next, we're going to engage Stable Diffusion. We're going to tell Stable Diffusion that we want an image of the title, right? The image of a vegan cupcake, right? And then so it's going to create the images here. It's going to create 4 images. It's going to place them in this folder here. And then next, we're going to actually use RSLM to pull up our WordPress website. Here, we're logging in. Next, we're going to upload the images that Stable Diffusion made. And then next is going to create a post. And then this is the JSON file that we need to create the content to upload the information. And then next, pretty much loading that information in as a web page. We're going to change the information that's already there. And then we're going to publish the page post. And then here we're just doing like a simple cleanup. And so we're gonna everything's done automatically. So we have like a list of maybe 100 keywords we want to use, and it's gonna pop that in as a for loop. It's gonna loop through each of these keywords. So we're gonna make over 100 posts, right? And then so we're gonna call the function here, and then we're gonna do it here. So we're gonna do R script, and this is called WP auto v2.r. Now it's going to make a berry post. The berry is the first one right here, right? It's going to make a berry post. This is the script. It opens. Okay, so this opened a Firefox window. So next we're going to engage the ChatGPT, right? So it's going to take a second while this loads. We're going to fast forward until it's ready. Okay, so now it's done. It created a JSON file, and now we're making the images here. So it's making the images in this folder here. So we have the vegan berry, right? These images here. So this is one image it just made. All right, so it logged into my WordPress website. It's uploading those images. It uploaded this one right here. Next is making the vegan berry. Oh shit, hold on, what's going on? Oops, did I just mess up something? Okay, so don't click anything. All right, so it made this one right here. It is uploading the 4th one. Okay, now we're gonna make a new post. We're gonna duplicate this post rather, right? We're going to upload the JSON file that we made in our script. It's going to take a second because it takes a while to load. All right, so that's our JSON file. Next is going to upload this to the website. That's going to take a second also. All right, cool. So now this is the information. We're going to change the title. Next, we're going to change the featured image. Right, it's going to select the one that we just uploaded. And now it's going to give us, it's going to publish a page. And now this is the new link. We're going to click this. We're going to copy link. We're going to open up this Firefox. We're going to go to the link. So we're going to wait for something to pop up real quick. Okay, we're going to go here. Oh, I have to do this real quick. This is our link that they just made. Paste and go. All right, so this is it right here. So the plan is going to be to sign up for Google AdSense. Let's just place ads on this website, and as we get organic traffic from these from the SEO, and I expect to make money from this website. So yeah, that's how I plan to use AI to monetize my WordPress website. Peace.